Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare VS Code and Claude. Let's dive right into understanding their core purposes. VS Code serves as a robust, customizable environment for software development, offering extensive support for coding across numerous languages. Claude, on the other hand, is an artificial intelligence designed to understand and generate human-like text, making it invaluable for content creation and information processing. We will explore how each tool excels in its respective field and where their strengths truly lie. VS Code stands out as a premier choice for developers worldwide. It provides comprehensive support for more than 60 programming languages, ensuring versatility for any project. The vibrant extension marketplace boasts thousands of add-ons, allowing users to tailor their environment precisely. With built-in debugging tools and seamless Git integration, managing code and collaborating with teams becomes incredibly efficient. Its lightweight nature and compatibility across various operating systems further solidify its position as a developer's essential tool. Claude shines brightly in the realm of artificial intelligence, particularly with language-based tasks. It can summarize lengthy documents with remarkable accuracy, often condensing them by as much as 80% while retaining key information. This AI assistant is also adept at generating diverse creative content, from engaging articles to compelling marketing copy. Furthermore, Claude serves as an excellent resource for answering complex questions, brainstorming innovative ideas, and assisting with thorough research, making it a versatile partner for many professionals. When considering ideal use cases, VS Code is the go-to for all aspects of software development, from writing code to managing large projects. Claude, conversely, is perfect for tasks requiring advanced language understanding, such as crafting content or analyzing textual data. Interestingly, these two powerful tools can complement each other. A developer might use Claude to explain complex code snippets or to generate initial drafts of documentation, then refine it in VS Code. This synergy can lead to a significant boost in overall professional efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.